How to get Google Play Store on any Chromebook. Now, what you want to do first is head to your Chromebook start menu, like this one. Just simply tap on that and then just access your Chromebook web browser. Now, once you're fully accessed with your Chromebook browser, just simply type in on the search bar Google Play Store right here. Now just scroll down a bit, or if it's going to be the first result, then choose on that. You'll have to choose on play.google.com. Just click on that. Now once you click on the first result right there, you will be routed to the Google Play official website. For you to be able to get this or to get this from any Chromebook, all you have to do is just simply click on the three dots at the top right corner of your Chromebook and then head over to More Tools. Now, this is not going to be visible on my end because I'm not using a Chromebook, but I'm pretty sure that once you tap on more tools, there will be an option there that says create shortcut. For example, now once you have created a shortcut, all you have to do is just simply name it as Google Play Store. Now you have an option to tick a box that says make this on a new window, or you also have an option just to not untick that. Once you click on OK, it will automatically, that shortcut will automatically be generated an icon on your Chromebook menu. So that's how fast and quick you can get Google Play Store on any Chromebook.